In this video, I'll show you how to join the Arc Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap on Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, you're simply going to type play Arc. Make sure it's all one word, and you spell it exactly like that, and then press Join with the invite link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Arc server, press accept. And then down at the bottom, tap confirm if you get this caption message. And that's going to load us into the Arc server. First of all, there'll be a server onboarding, where it's going to ask you 2 questions. Select your answers, and then you need to read and agree to the server rules. And as you can see, we've now joined the Arc Discord server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.